Welcome to Fire Prevention and Firefighting Refresher Exit Exam Model Questions. We'll go with the first question. Which ship should carry international shore connections? Four options given. All tankers, all bulk carriers, all container ships, and the last one is the all ships above 500 GT. The correct answer is all the ships above 500 GT. What is the minimum capacity of the emergency fire pump? The correct answer is 25 meter cube per hour. How many hours a diesel driven fire pump should run? The answer is 18 hours. Fire needs one more other than heat, fuel and oxygen. It is a chain reaction. Abbreviation for AFF is aqueous film forming foam. It's correct, true. Dry chemical powder extinguisher works on inhibition process. Starvation is the removal of fuel in the fire. It's true. Most effective fire extinguisher on the burning liquid is foam type. Maximum temperature of an unexposed side of a B-class division is, as per NFPA criteria, during the standard fire test, the unexposed area should have 2 to 5 degrees Celsius. That is the correct answer. Switchboard fire due to electrical short circuits will come under which class? Will come under the class C, because class A for the solid, class B for the flammable liquids. We go to the next question. With respect to electrical fire, important characteristics of the extinguisher selection is electrical non-conductive. This is as per NFPA. The main characteristics of the selection of the extinguisher for the electrical fire should be electrical non-conductive. The next is, in a portable fire extinguisher, the alphabets represent ABC, which represents the type of the fire on which can be used. DCP fixed fire extinguisher is used on the gas tankers. What is the maximum weight of the portable fire extinguisher is 23 kg. Fire plan give data on the action to be carried out in case of emergency by the master, not required onboard crew, as already they know, the safety officer know. It is for the shore fire person. In restricted visibility in the case of accommodation fire, the answer is rig lifeline to assist a retreat. Color code for the DCP portable fire extinguisher is blue. Class A fire extinguisher is best to be used on the solids. Which place CO2 fixed fire system can be kept in automatic or auto mode? No area in the ship to be kept, because the life of the, in case of accidental release, it will not support human life. So it should be never be automatic one. Fire hazard in the accommodation area, additional power sockets than the normal. Cigarette smoking in the bed. Handle electrical components wrongly. The right answer is D, all the above. Meaning of PASS in portable fire extinguisher is, answer is C, pull, aim, squeeze and sweep. How to use a portable extinguisher. Foam tends to extinguish fire by smoothing the burning material. That is the correct answer. Fire patrol on the passenger ships above 36 members is mandatory. Yes, it's correct, true. What is the time duration for EEBD is 10 minutes. What is the duration of SCBA bottle of a capacity of 1200 liters? It is a simple calculation where a person in a stress situation will consume about 30 to 40 liters of air. So we take the higher criteria, 40 liters of air. Same, it will be divided with the capacity of 1200. The answer is 30 minutes. What is your action on seeing the fire? The right answer is D. Raise the fire alarm and then try to make an initial attempt. Items involved with wood paper will be classified as which class? Fire, as it comes under wood and paper. Class A, solid one. Which type of extinguisher can be used by Class F as per ISO and Class K as per NFPA? The right answer is wet chemical. Name the color code for the portable water type extinguisher. The correct answer is signal red. C, signal red. The process of combustion accompanied by the rapid release of light and heat in case of fire. Class D fire involves burning. Answer is D, magnesium. What is the length of SCBA fireproof line? The answer is A, 30 meter. What are the contents in fire triangle? Oxygen, heat, fuel, all the above. Answer is D, all the above. Radiation is the transfer of heat through physical movement of the particles from hotter to colder zone. Answer is false. Class A type fire involves flammable liquid. Answer is false. The next one is fire extinguisher system required for a space propelling machine and a diesel driven motor is a hyper mist. By cooling, firefighting is the limitation of the cooling means immediately the answer comes with temperature. Class B bulked or classified B15 and B0. It's true with respect to standard fire test. Fire control plan to be in the language on board always should be in English. Let it be any official language of the ship. Then fire control plan should be universally in the language of English only. How often rescue boat to be launched and maneuvered in water? The right answer is once in 3 months. Which of the following fuel has low flash point? Answer is A, kerosene, 38 degrees Celsius. In case of your ship is in collision, you are not sure ship will sink or not. What action you will do? Always ship is the safest place. So the wise answer is option A. Search for the missing person if any, monitor the situation and prepare for the abandonment if required. Pyrotechnic rocket parachute flares nighttime visibility is 25 nautical miles. How HRU of a life raft is secured to the ship? Secured via a weak link to the secured point. By cutting off oxygen, how the fire stops? By means of smooth ring. Fire alarm is a continuous ringing because verbal order from the master is for abandon. 7 shot followed by the one long blast is for the boat, and for the 3 blast for the man overboard. Which type of fire extinguisher is hard to recharge on board? The answer is CO2. What is the fourth component in the fire tetrahedron? The right answer is molecular chain reaction. Which is the best fire extinguisher for which electrical fire or busbar fire or switchboard fire? It is CO2. Before lifting a lifeboat from the water, and here it is given as from water, what to make sure? Can engine run in Ahadastan? It is already from the water, then no need to look after that. Sea anchor is streamed, not bothered. Boat drain plug is fixed. It is already fixed, then only it is in the water. So the correct answer is fall wires are clear and hooks are secured. What is the color of the light used in the small boats? Answer is option C, white. When a fireman should return immediate, that is the right answer is upon hearing a warning sound from the SCBA. Thank you guys. All the best for your career and examinations.